In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make motivational quote YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice. I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step. I will share with you the method that those channels are using to make like those videos, okay? Using a voiceover and using those animation text and so much more, okay? And as you can see, for people who are asking if you can monetize those YouTube videos, yes, of course you can. And as you can see, this is an example. This channel is monetized, okay, as you can see over here, and this channel has 1 million subscribers. And if we click over here on view channel stage, you can see in the last 13 days this channel got 2 million views. So this channel is really making a lot of money, guys, okay? If we scroll down, if you click on popular, you can see that those videos getting a million of views. This one 8 million views, 6 million views. This one is close to 7 million views. This one 5 million views, 5 million views. And the best part in this niche is that you are making evergreen content, meaning that those videos that you will make will keep getting views for months, even for years, okay? So if you make, for example, a lot of videos, and if you stop uploading for a while, you can keep getting views and keep making money, okay? This is the best part in this niche, okay? So without wasting time, let's get started. So to make like those videos, so for example this one, let's check this one. So let me show you. If we click on the video, this one got 8 million views. Let's check.
Three things never come back: time, word, and opportunity. Therefore, do not waste time. Choose words, and do not miss the opportunity.
You can see just adding the background and this text over here, this quote, super easy to make, okay? So to make like those videos, what you will do first, you will go to Canva, search for Canva on Google, create an account with Canva like this one. It's super easy and it's for free. After you finish, click on video and you will be directly in this page over here, okay? What you need to do next is you need to go back to Google and you need to search for the quote that you want to use, okay? So for me, for example, I'm gonna take Andrew Tate quote as an example, okay? Just go to Google, search for any quote you want to use for any person, about any person. You can search, for example, Obama quote, Andrew Tate quote, and Gary V quote. You can search for any quote about any person. You can find a lot on Google, okay? So I will search for Andrew Tate quote. I will scroll down. So this is the website Andrew Tate quote best 13 inspiring. I'm gonna check this one. Let's check this one to see if we can find a good quote that we will use. And what we will do next, we will turn those quote into a voiceover, okay? So let's check this website. Let's scroll down. So let's see if we can find Andrew Tate quote here. Okay, let's scroll down, and here you go. Okay, your mind must be stronger than your feeling. Freedom will only come when you no longer trade your time for money. Do the impossible and you will never doubt yourself ever again. Those are Andrew Tate quotes. What you will do, copy those quotes, for example like this, copy this one, okay? And what you will do next, you will go to Google. So we need to turn this quote into a voiceover. Go to Google, search for Play HT, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to this website is super easy and simple. This website will turn your text into a voiceover, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with this website. What you will do next, click over here on voice, change voice, scroll down. They have a lot of different voiceovers, okay? American voiceover, British voiceover, and those voiceover are really great. So for example, I will choose this one, Samuel. I will click on this one. Let's check this one to see.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little fairy Rosie had shiny wings that sparkled like the stars.
So as you can see, this one is really looks really good, and that's a really good quality voiceover. Okay, I will choose this one. I will click on Samuel. I will scroll down. Keep scrolling down. They have a lot of voiceover, like I said, guys. You can check if you don't like this one that you want to use. Check those and choose which one you like. So I will click on confirm, and I will put my quote text here like this, and I will click on generate speech. And here you go, your quote will be ready.
Your mind must be stronger than your feelings.
As you can see, click here, okay, to download this voiceover to your laptop. Okay, after you do that, you will go back to your Canva account and you will click on upload. Click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file and upload your voiceover from your
Your
laptop.
mind must be stronger than your feeling.
Click on open, and if you after you click on open, your voiceover should be over here on audio. Okay, this is my voiceover. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. What you will do next, you will click on the first page, okay, and click over here on elements and click on the search. Okay, search for smoke. Okay, click on videos. So we need the background video to use it, and check those background videos that you can use. So let's check if we can find good background video. Let me see. We'll scroll down. We will use this one. Okay, just click on the background that you want to use, and your background will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Click on set video as background like this. What you will do next, click here and swipe left. Make this background matched with your voiceover like this. Okay, like this. Click on the first page. Okay, what you need to do next, you will go to Google and you will search for annotate. Okay, and click on image. Okay, and choose an image of annotate that you can use to your video. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna use this one. I like to use this one, is really looking good. So just double click on save image, and this image will be saved to your laptop. Go to Canva again, click on upload, click on upload file and upload your picture. This is my picture. Click on open and your picture will be uploaded here on image. Okay, click on your picture and your picture will be over here. Click on edit image, scroll down, click on background remover. We need to remove this background, and after you do that, so what you will do next, let me show you. We will just we will add our text quote annotate quote here. Okay, so I will put this image of annotate here like this. It's looking good. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to this website that you copied the quote from. I will copy again this quote and I will go back to Canva. I will click on text, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text, your text will be over here. Click on this one, we delete this part and make it small like this. Okay, double click, delete this one, and I will put my motivational quote here. Okay, I didn't copy this. I will go and back to this website to copy this quote. Go back to Canva, click on text, and I will delete this one. delete one, and I will put my quote here. Okay, as you can see, it should be like this. So you can also edit the style of this text if you want here. Okay, you can click here and you can choose the style of text you want. Okay, they have different. I'm gonna just keep using this one because I think it looks good. Click on your text, click over here on animate. Okay, so scroll down here and click on choose this one, tape a writer. Okay, then scroll down, you should see over here speed. Okay, so decrease his speed. Okay, like this, and here you go. Let's check now.
Your mind must be stronger than your feelings.
You can see it's really looking good. Okay, what you will do next, click on next page. Okay, and go to the first page. Okay, and click here. Okay, just click here, double click and copy. Okay, you will copy this background that we used in the first page. Go to the second page, double click on paste, and paste the same background. You go to the first page again, click on this image of and rotate, copy. Go to the second page and paste, double click and paste this picture. Okay, what we will do next, we will go again to this website and we will copy the second quote. Okay, like this, and I will go back to this website to turn this quote into voiceover, like this, and I will click on generate speech, and you just need, and here you go, let's check.
Freedom will only come when you no longer trade your time for money.
And here you go. So what you will do, click again here and you will download this voiceover to your laptop. You will go back to Canva, you will click over here on upload and you will click on upload file, and you will upload your second quote. Okay,
Freedom will only come.
Second voiceover quote, click on open, and over here on audio you should find your voiceover. So what you will do, click here on this one and put this one in the first of your page, click on this voiceover, and your voiceover will be added to your second page. Okay, and make this page matched with your voiceover, like this. Okay, so what you will do next, go to the first page. Okay, double click on your text, click on copy, go to the second page and paste this text here, like this. Okay, and what you will do, you will go back to this website, you will copy this second quote, you will go back to Canva, double click on this one, to your second page, double click, delete, and I will put my second quote. Okay, it's really super easy and simple to make like these videos. You just need to give it time, and that's it, like this. And what you will do, let's check now.
Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. Freedom will only come when you no longer trade your time for money. Your mind must be stronger.
And here you go, it's really looking nice. What we will do, we will add background music to make this video more engaging and professional. The background music is very important. So what you will do, you will go to YouTube, you will search for no copyright background music. This channel upload no copyright background music that you can use for any video for free without getting any copyright issue with YouTube. Okay, so you can get monetized with those videos. So what you will do, just come to this channel and check those background music. Okay, so if you like, for example, to use this one, click on this 3 point, click on share, click on copy the link of the video, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Tube Reaper. Let me show you. Go to Google, search for Tube Reaper, click on the first link over here, and you will be directly in this page. Put your, so let me show you. So you just need to put your YouTube video link here, paste. I'm gonna delete this. Put your YouTube video link here, okay, and click here, and you will be able to, as you can see, click over here on, you will be able to download this background music to your laptop. Click on extract audio like this. I'm gonna delete this part so to show you, and here you go. You can see the background music will be uploaded to your laptop, okay? So what you will do next, the background music was uploaded. I will go to Canva, I will click on upload file, and I will upload the background music, okay? This is my background music. Click on open, and your background music will be uploaded to your Canva account. I already uploaded my background music here. So what you will do, click on the first page first, click on the first page, click on your background music, and your background music will be added to your motivational quote video, okay? What you will do next, click over here and decrease the volume of your background music to you can decrease it to 7 or 10, okay, 8, let's make it to 8. And what you will do, so that's it. So let's check this video now. Let me see. I'm gonna make this background music like this. Let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion about this.
Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. Freedom will only come when you no longer trade your time for money.
And as you can see, guys, we just made motivational quote YouTube video just by using Canva and free AI tools, okay?
Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. Freedom will only come when you no longer trade your time for money.
And as you can see, guys, we just made a motivational quote YouTube video just by using Canva. After you finish, click on share, okay, click on download, and this motivational quote YouTube video will be downloaded to your laptop. And make sure, of course, to make it long. I just don't want to make this video too much long for you guys. I just want to share with you this method that you can use to make motivational quote YouTube videos without showing your face, without using your voice, just by using Canva and free AI tools. And you can just click over here on add page, and you can make this video long, and that's it. After you finish, click on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop, and you can start making videos like this, okay? They are really super easy to make, okay? It's easy to make like those videos just by using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. If you are interested to start with any niche, just leave it in the comments. If a lot of people are interested to start with this niche, I will share with you how we can start without investing any money in this niche. About any niche, I can make videos, faceless YouTube videos about any topic, okay? Just leave it in the comments and I will show you how you can make it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.